The Chinese concern BYD has announced a new SUV. It will be called Sea Lion 05 DMI and will be sold with a hybrid power plant. The full premiere is scheduled for the end of this month, but as Car News China writes, some characteristics of the crossover have already been declassified during its certification. The new product should become part of the BYD Ocean line. Judging by the teasers, the crossover will receive an elongated silhouette and a front-end design in the style of other BYD models with relatively narrow lighting equipment and a massive radiator grille with longitudinal slats. There are no images of the interior yet. The dimensions of the BYD Sea Lion 05 DMI, according to certification data, are 4,710 by 1,880 by 1,720 mm with a wheelbase of 2,712 mm. Wheel rims from 17 to 19 inches. The index in the name of the crossover refers to the proprietary hybrid installation, the fifth generation of which the concern recently presented. In the case of the Sea Lion 05, it will be based on a 1.5-litre turbo engine with a capacity of about 100 horsepower, to which a 163 horsepower electric motor will be added, but in the future, the crossover may also receive more powerful versions. The crossover is planned to be equipped with two battery options with an expected electric range of 70 and 125 kilometers, while with a fully charged battery and a filled tank, the Sea Lion 05 will be able to travel about 2,000 kilometers. Another expected new BYD product for the local market is now considered to be the large Zia minivan. It should also receive a DM hybrid installation, but more powerful, and will go on sale before the end of this year.